When it comes to your electrical distribution system, the question is not whether the system will malfunction, but when. If you don't conduct good diagnostic testing of your electrical equipment, it is 3 times more likely to fail. Having the right diagnostics lets you increase equipment reliability and maximize uptime. Most importantly, it helps you avoid disasters like this. It can also help avoid serious safety problems. Phew, that was close. Now I can see why having a good diagnostic testing program is part of IEC compliance. And surprise! How much does a single hour of production shutdown cost? Any ideas? Automotive, 30,000 euros. Petrochemicals, 2 million euros. Hospital, human lives. How much would it cost your business? That's the kind of surprise nobody likes. But the ProDiag diagnostic tools used by Schneider Electric can help you avoid them. No surprises. Here's something else that might surprise you, in a positive way. At Schneider Electric, we design different predictive maintenance plans to help you anticipate equipment failure. Nice, isn't it? Our best in-class predictive maintenance gives you a detailed view of your equipment. You also get expert advice on how to anticipate failure and optimize your electrical installation. Our goal is to help you anticipate equipment failure and associated costs. Predictive maintenance significantly reduces the possibility of unexpected downtime. We can diagnose the cause of problems as they appear and suggest corrective actions in the shortest possible time. Schneider Electric is #1 worldwide in electrical distribution. Our ProDiag diagnostic tools are also unique and powerful. They are directly connected to the Schneider Electric manufacturing database, which is key for accurate diagnosis. We have services to meet your equipment's needs throughout its life cycle. Go online and together we can make the most of your energy.